In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Finance in Google Sheets to create stunning financial spreadsheets. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by opening Google Sheets. If you've already got a spreadsheet you want to work on, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, create a new one and give it a suitable name to keep everything organized. Now, to utilize the power of Google Finance in your spreadsheet, you'll need to enter a specific formula into a cell. The formula may look complex at first, but don't worry, I'll break it down for you. The basic structure of the formula is Google Finance ticker, attribute, start date, end date num days, interval. You'll need to replace the bracketed sections with the values relevant to your needs, such as a ticker symbol and perhaps a start and end date. To begin, let's talk about the ticker. This is the stock symbol of the security you're interested in. For example, if you're looking into Google stock, you'll use Google. Next is the attribute. This is optional and it indicates the type of data you want to retrieve. This could be price, open, close, high for low, volume, or even all. If you leave this blank, the function will default to retrieving the current price. We also have an optional start date, which specifies from when you'd like to start fetching historical data. Then there's the end date or number of days. You can either specify an end date for your historical data range or simply the number of days from the start date. And finally we come to the interval, which indicates how frequently you want the data. This can be configured as daily or weekly depending on your preference. Let's walk through an example. Suppose you want to gather the daily stock price of Google or Goog from January 1st, 2024 to December 31, 2024. You'll enter the formula Google Finance Goog price date 2024 1/1 date 2024 12/31 daily. Once you input this, Google Sheets will pull up the data and display it within your spreadsheet. A few tips to keep in mind. If you don't specify an attribute, as I mentioned earlier, the current price will be shown. Similarly, if you don't define a date range, the formula will return the current data only. This shorthand can be useful if you're more interested in just the latest snapshot of stock activity. And there you have it. This approach not only simplifies your data retrieval from financial markets, but also enhances the functionality of your spreadsheets. With Google Finance at your disposal in Google Sheets, you can efficiently analyze and visualize market trends over your desired timescales. So happy spreadsheeting, and make sure to experiment with different formulas and attributes to unlock more insights.